Introducing the TYPHON xFlex 2037W, the walk-behind scissor lift engineered for contractors who demand performance, safety, and precision. Safety isn't an afterthought on this Flex 2037W. It's engineered into every inch of this machine. Before you lift, deploy the sturdy outriggers and support legs, 4-point stability that keeps the platform locked. Standard 110-volt electric operation with a heavy-duty industrial plug and socket. No adapters, no delays. Maintenance, installation, inspections, light construction. Whatever your team is up against, the TYPHON xFlex 2037W shows up ready. The spacious 83 by 33-inch platform gives your crew the room they need. Whether it's two workers side by side or a full load of tools and equipment, this platform handles it all with a heavy-duty capacity of 1,100 pounds. Tight spaces are no problem. Operate it manually, push and position with full control before elevating. No damage to your finished floors thanks to the Traceless tires that leave absolutely zero marks or scuffs behind. With a maximum lifted height of 20 feet, your team reaches elevated workspaces that ladders and scaffolding simply can't touch. No open edges, no exposed sides. Full safety guardrails and kickboards wrap the entire platform. The intuitive up and down control system requires minimal training. Your crew is up and running from day one. Built for the job, built for you.